Let's understand what a reciprocal represents. Number 13 asks us to fill in the sentence. A. When you multiply a number by its blank, it will produce the number 1. So let's put in an example so we can see this much better. When we multiply a number, so we have the number 6, we multiply it by something, and that will get us the number 1. Well, if we multiply this by 1 over 6, it will get us the number 1. Why? Because 6 can be turned into the number 6 over 1. 6 times 1 is 6. 1 times 6 is 6. And that will get you equaling to the number 1. Okay? That is the 1 over 6 here. This is called the reciprocal. Another word for the reciprocal is that it is the inverse of multiplication.